All right, let's talk about this Vision Ultra HD by Meritz. I'm gonna program it. Show you guys how to program this VR2 joystick. Pretty basic. So you're gonna need a PP1, which hopefully you guys can see that. I'm not sure how good the screen looks. PP1, and then you're gonna have your arrows up and down, and then your enter, which are the ones you're gonna really use. So if you want to get, for instance, this one's in acceleration, I'm gonna hit enter, and it's gonna tell me that it's at a 40% right there. So I can raise it up, go up and down. I'm gonna leave it at 40. I'm gonna hit enter twice, back to menu, okay, and then it saved it. Now if you keep on going up, you're gonna go into, you don't have to go into profiles, that's fine. You just keep on going until you see your forward speed. We don't have to worry about any of that. Turning speed, if you want, you can do the turning speed. I wouldn't recommend it. Right now it's at 23, which is pretty quick, so we'll just leave it at 23. The biggest one that I think a lot of customers suggest, or they want the speed turned up, is the forward speed, which normally these power chairs are set to 80%, which is pretty quick. But anyways, you go into enter. We're on forward speed now. You hit enter. There you go. It's on 80, and then you go up. I'm gonna put it at 100. Hit enter. You choose 100. Enter again. Controller set, and that's how you do the forward speed programming. So you would just need a PP1 programmer, plug it into where the charging port goes into the joystick, and you're good to go. And like I said, it has different options: turn deceleration, turn acceleration, deceleration. When it comes to a stopping point, you could make it smoother to where it doesn't tip the customer forward, especially if you do bump it up to 100%. And then it does have the end stop bleep, the actuators, speed adjust, reverse alarm, so you can do an alarm. So if I hit enter and then I hit up for yes, hit enter again, if I go reverse, the alarm's gonna come on. You hear that? That's just, if you're in a nursing facility and stuff and you want that on, you can, but you're able to do that reverse alarm. And then you go back up, hit enter again, and then you have your bleep volume, steer correct, invert joystick throw, sleep. It has a sleep timer. So again, if you're in a nursing facility, the customer falls asleep, you can set it to turn off, within 5 minutes. That way he doesn't accidentally, wake up and just hits the joystick and he takes off. Power, tremor damping, that's for somebody that has tremors. If they have really bad tremors and not able to control the power chair, you go in there and you adjust the damp percentage on that. So you can do that as well. See what else we got here. Back to main menu. Torque, you don't want to mess with that. I mean, these are 80%, which is good. That's just the torque on the motor itself. Anything higher, I would say you could stress out the motor and you could burn it out faster than turning speed. So yeah, I mean, pretty basic programming, but you do need a PP1 for your VR2 joystick to program the power chair. Hopefully that helps, guys.